How to use Trello for task management. So hello everyone, so in today's video I will show you guys on how to use Trello for task management. So without further ado, let us begin. So the first thing that you're gonna have to do first is to just simply open up your web browser and then just simply search up for Trello. So once you're done searching up for Trello, just simply click on the first link that will pop up. Afterwards, it will now ask you to sign up. So to sign up, just simply go here at the middle and then just simply type in your email and then just simply click on sign up, it's free. So after putting up your email, again just click on sign up right there and then you'll be redirected here. So in here you can either sign up by just inputting your email or you can continue with your Google account, your Microsoft account, your Apple account or your Slack account. So for me, the easiest way to do this is to just simply continue with my Google account so I won't need to type anything. So just simply click on continue with Google right here. Just choose your account. And then afterwards, we'll be redirected here. So in here, we have our workspace. So in here, we have our Trello workspace. So the first thing that we're going to have to do first is to just simply create a board. So in creating boards, you can create your boards manually or you could just choose from the templates provided right here in Trello. So as you can see right here at the top, as you can see that there are templates. So when I click on this, there are a lot of templates right here that you can use for your Trello board. So they have templates for one-on-one meeting agendas, an agile board template, company overview, design huddle, Kanban templates, project management, and a lot more. But for me, I'll just continue by creating my board manually. So to do that, just go to boards right here under your workspace. By the way, you could rename your workspace over here. So let's just rename our workspace to my workspace. There you go. You can also change the name, add a website which is optional, and also a description which is optional as well. So once you're done customizing those details, just simply click on save. There you go. So to create your board, again, just go to boards right here and just simply click on create your first board. So just click on that and then there you go. From here, you can choose a background right here for your board. So they have custom images right here and also have custom colors. So you can choose between these. You can also add a board title and the visibility. So first, I'll just choose an image right here. So for example, I'll choose this custom image. There you go. I'll just add a board title. So I'll just name it as my board. There you go. Next is the visibility. So you can change the visibility of this to private. So if it's private, only board members can see this board. Workspace admins can close the board or remove members. You can also set it to workspace. So all of the members that are in your workspace right here that you've made can see and edit this board. And then if it's public, anyone on the internet can see this board and only board members can edit this board. So for me, I'll just leave the visibility as workspace. There you go. And then again, from here, you can also start with a template. So when you click on this, again, you will see the templates right here. And then if you want to explore more, just simply click on explore templates right here. And then you will be shown a lot of board templates right here. So they have templates right here for business, design, education, engineering, and a lot more. So feel free to choose on which kind of template you want to use. So if you want to use a template, just simply click on the template you want to use like this. And then there you go. And then if you want to use it, just simply click on use template right there. And then that template will now be applied to your board. So yeah, let's just go back, create our first board again. There you go. And then just simply click on create once you're ready to create your board. So there you go. So let's just dismiss this. And there you go. So we now have our board. So in here, in our board, as you can see, we have some lists right here. So in our list, we have a to-do list, a doing list, and a done list. So if you want to add additional lists right here, just simply click on add another list and then just simply add the list name. So let's say this board will be focused on making YouTube videos. So I'll just add another list right here that is about canceled videos, something like that. Add list. There you go. And then for this one, I'll just rename it to videos to do. There you go. I'll change the doing into, yeah, I'll just leave doing as doing. Let's just add another list to editing. There you go. Next will be thumbnail creation. There you go. And then let's just make this done list right here as uploaded. So there you go. So in your list, you can also edit out list actions right here just by clicking on these three dots. So in here, you can add cards, copy the list, move the list, or watch. And then at the bottom right here, you can also add automations. So yeah, so in our list, we can add cards. So basically, cards are the tasks that you are going to do within your board. So to do that, just simply click on add a card right there, and then just simply add the name of your task. So let's say I'll just name this as video 1. There you go, add card, and then there you go. So if you want to edit out details for your card right here, just simply click on your card, and there you go, this page will pop up. So in here you can add the description of your card, so you can add anything right here. So let's say make a video on how to use Trello, something like that. Then at the top right here, they also have some other editing styles that you can use right here, like text styles, making your text bold, italicize it, adding lists, adding links, inserting images, and a lot more. So feel free to check this section out. And then once you're done adding your description, just simply click on save. There you go. At the bottom right here, so we have activities. So in here, you'll get to see all of the activities done within this card. You can also add comments right here. Next is you can also join this card right here at the right side. You can also add members right here, add labels, add a checklist. You can also set dates right here, like a start date and a due date. So for example, I'll just set a start date right here, and then I'll make the due date around Friday. So there you go. Click on save. Boom. And then next is we have attachments. So in here you can add attachments right here, like you can add files from your computer, or add or paste links, and you can also add a display text, which is optional as well. Next is a cover. So in here you can add covers to your cards. You can change the color of your card right there to green, and other colors right here. So as you can see, there is now a cover right here on our card. Or you can also use images right here. So for example, I'll use this image right there, and then there you go, the card has now been changed to an image. But for me, I'll just choose a color since it's smaller, and then there you go, you can now exit out of here once you're done customizing it. Next are custom fields. So in here you can add custom fields to your cards. You can also add power-ups, add automations. You can move this, copy the card, mirror it, make a template out of it, archive it, or share. So there you go, we have now made our first card. So if you want to add additional cards, just simply click on add card right here again, and then just simply add the other name of your task. So there you go, the card has now been added. And then again, you can redo the details right here that you've made from your previous card, or again, you can just make a template out of it so you can save much more time. So yeah, so to use this, basically what you have to do is just simply move your cards around. So let's say you have a video right here in videos to do, and then you're currently doing that video. So you can move that task or card right here so that people within this board can know that you're currently doing this video. And then once you're done, you can move it to editing. So if you're going to edit the video, you can move the video right there. And then if it's done editing, you can now move it to thumbnail creation. And then once the thumbnail has been created, you can now move it right here to uploaded once you're done uploading the videos. And then let's say your video topic has been canceled, you can just simply move it to cancel right there so that people can know within your board that this video is canceled. So yeah. So next is if you want to add people within your board, just simply click on share right here, and then just simply add the email address or the name of that person you want to add within this board. And then after that, you can also set them as a member or an observer. And then what you can also do is share this board with the link. So you can just simply share this board right here just by click on creating link. There you go. You can also change the permissions right here, then copy the link, and then just simply send it to the person you want to add right here within your board. And then from here at the bottom, you can also see your board members right here and the join requests. So yeah. Next is what you can also do is you can also simply move your list around as well. So if you want to rearrange your list, you can do so as well just by dragging them around. Okay, so those are pretty much the basics. Moving on, let's try to cover some other details right here within our board. So at the top right here is you have your name, so you can just rename your board right here at the top. You can also star or unstar the board. You can also change the workspace visibility from here as well. You can also customize your views, but if you want to customize your views, you will need to upgrade to the premium plan. So if you're going to upgrade to the premium plan, they have other views right here for your board. So they have like table view, a calendar view, a timeline view, a dashboard view, and a map view. So if you want to utilize these views, you should upgrade to the premium plan, or you can just simply start a free trial right here at the bottom. Next is we have power-ups right here at the top. So you can bring in additional features right here to your board. So you can integrate apps like Google Drive, Slack, and more. So if you want to add power-ups, just simply click on add power-ups right here. And then from here, you can use any of these power-ups right here. So you can utilize this Gantt chart right here, these tables and spreadsheets, dev board, analytics, and a lot more. They also have some categories right here at the bottom. So they have power-ups related to analytics, automations, board utilities, and a lot more, so feel free to view this section out. Next is automation. So in here you can create automations for your board. Next is filters. So you can filter out keywords right here, filter out members, card status, due dates, and etc. So let's say we can filter out cards that are assigned to me. And then there you go. So as you can see, one card matches this filter. So yeah, you can choose more filters right here to your liking. So if you want to clear it, just simply click on clear all. Next, at the right side over here, at these three dots, you can see details about this board. You also get to see the activity right here done within your whole board. You can also get to see the comments. You can also see archived items right here. You can also view your settings, change the background, add custom fields, automations, power-ups, add labels, stickers, and make a template. You can also watch, email the board, copy the board, print, export, and share, or just simply close the board. So basically closing the board would just simply delete this whole board. So yeah, then after that you're pretty much done. So those are pretty much the basics on how to use Trello. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Trello for task management. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.